Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News.
South Garo Hills na? South Garo Hills na? South Garo Hills na? Onjaude? 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 Adok Sorkar Adok Sorkar Adok Sorkar Ramako 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 South Garo Hills na? South Garo Hills na? South Garo Hills na? Onjaude?
Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam dagasngi. Ki paidbah bakiseng bhalang na rilum Garo khamtam na South Garo Hills District kilapan pau ke jing bitar ya ke Sorkar MDA hai ke jing yalam u konrat ki sangma bat ya uba prestun tensong na mar ke jing sniew ke Surok National Highway arspa akhat nyo. Men ha ke arpratrik ujeliu kiseng bhalang Garo Hills NGO AYWO ADE AHAM FKJGP, NGCO, NOKMA, Kilami, Banikhi, Persha, Sorkar na kabenta ka Surok kablas sniew syaba palan. Haduk baka Surok kala kelapung dok ha, berkipat ba haringkat ki plakat, Kilami ban penrem na madan football Gazwa para, Banyat Rally Syah, Gwaza para Development Block. Komban shipin kan mau baka Sorkar MDA, kala syak jerwat arliang skor, ha kipat ke jela na marka Surok kawai ke jimbitar ki paidbah nong snong ka umden nong po Sonapur Ribhoi District ha ka baka kong bendas im jan shitayo kala hab ban syatngan bat ka Sorkar kala peskor bat kala kular ban snano. Ha is Janti Hills District seng bhalang bat ki paidbah kala sei laki kiu ki pliang ban syat khawai ha Surok bat pelong kom ke ying syat ja hapdeng Surok ba NH6. Garo Hills pan kiseng bhalang pat ki pertashlai ke Sorkar bakadai ban shna mador ya ketika Surok yathu sengrik eng marak Gazwa para GSU President Shakilat pathai khubor.
Onjaude Onjaude Singnar amang talko We won We won We won We won We won Amang talko Amang talko Amang talko Amang talko Ramag talko Ramag talko Ramag talko Ramag talko Singnar ramag talko Singnar ramag talko Onjaude Onjaude South Garo Hills na South Garo Hills na
I'm Sorkar MDA, General Secretary of Garo Student Union, Gasupara Regional Unit. Today we have conduct a rally for the quick construction of our NH 217. Earlier it was NH 62, but it has been upgraded to NH 217. The purpose of our rally is since the site measurement has been done, but till now other process has not been started, like kind of compensation for the public and all those other process needed for the upgradation of NH 217. So till now it has been delayed. Last time only the notice for that how much your hectare has it came out, but till now from the government side it has been delayed. So based on that, we public along with NOCMAS and NGOs, we have organized so that our demand can be, or our needs can be fulfilled earlier or as soon as possible. While doing our rally, we can witness the mother of all potholes. As you can see here in South Garo Hills. In other district, you can see all smooth road, but here only in Garo Hills, you can see. In South Garo Hills, you can see mother of all potholes here. So I urge the government of Meghalaya to quickly look onto this matter as soon as possible. And if the government is not listening to us, we also will not stop. We also will not rest until our demand has been fulfilled. Thank you.